Hi, welcome to submission format lesson. Today I'm going to show you what is the criteria to submit your final project. So please follow the criteria. First, selection of casing. Please use the correct case that I propose to you, which is emery case or keep case. You can get this emery case or keep case in Tesco or Giant or anywhere. Don't use black slide slim case, jewel case, or paper sleeve. So, the best platform to submit your final project is DVD. Or if you have more than 8 GB file, you can use Blu-ray. But Blu-ray is so expensive. Please use or buy verbatim Sony or Yamaha brand because this is the brand that guaranteed. And they have two type of space, which is 8 GB and 4.7 GB. If you have more than 4.7 GB file, so you can use 8 GB. That will be much expensive, but still can afford. Alright, so this is the DVDs look like for those never see DVD. Alright, this is the cover design for DVD. So you have to design cover for DVD and cover for casing. So for DVD, please use sticker paper. Please use sticker paper. I will not accept any paper except sticker paper. So please design it well according to your project. This is the best sample ever for submission, which is sticker paper and manual inside the casing, and this is another one. So make sure you can do better than this one. This is the benchmark. Okay, let's talk about the content. We talk about final. So in final, this is what you have to prepare. DVD casing, of course, only DVD casing, emery case will be accepted. So you have to design the cover, but the design must be related with the project content, which include project title, group name, your ID, all the group's members ID, phone number, then group name. So why ID and phone number is important? Because this is for your mark. If I have problem when I open your DVD and I cannot get your content, so maybe I can call you. Alright, so this is DVD itself. So in this DVD you have to design for the cover, but please use the sticker design. Only sticker paper accepted. Cover design must be related with the project content, which include project title, full name, ID, phone, and groups. So maybe you can use the same design, then just apply to different size of platform, which is this one is for casing and this one is for your DVD. Alright, so under your DVD, in your DVD, you have two type of folder, which is first folder named as final. So I will know in this final folder, your final file will be included. So in this folder should include .fla file, okay, SWF file, HTML file, PHP or XML file. Maybe you are using Flash, then this file is much related. Otherwise, if you are using a Dreamweaver, so HTML, PHP and XML will be related. So you have to compile the main file, which is FLA if you are using Adobe Flash, and Shockwave file, which is SWF. But HTML and PHP, XML is not related if you are using Adobe Flash. But if you are using Adobe Dreamweaver, okay, this is the file that you have to submit. Right, then the second one is the link file. If you are using, or if your application include video and audio, so make sure all the link file include in this file folder. Okay, and last, one is projector file. If you are using Macintosh, so app is one of the application or one of the projector file. But if you are using Windows, so you have to extract exe file. But good for you to have both platform, which is maybe I will use Windows for access your work, and maybe I will use Mac for access your work. So both files should be related. Okay, second folder, you just rename as report. But under second folder, you have to create subfolder, which is one subfolder for individual. If you have 4 group members, so you have one individual. So each group members have individual file. Then each group members have this folder renamed as your full name. Okay, if you, for example, one of your group members name is Ahmad bin Jamud, so the one folder should have individual name Ahmad bin Jamud. So what should have in this folder? All the sketches, video, screen activities, picture, audio, flow chart or flow diagram, PowerPoint file belong to this individual should be compiled. Okay, then the second one is second subfolder. So on the second subfolder, which is involve group activities, which means if you have group activities or any related activities belong to the group members, so you have to compile in this group activities folder, which is renamed as group activities. You have to summarize of contribution for each group members. Maybe you can come up with one PDF format, one small or one short report, maybe 1 page. So the leader should summarize all the involvement or contribution belongs to the group members. So in these group activities also you can include sketches, discussion, proposal, video, pictures, audio, flow diagram, PowerPoint file, and etc. But maybe you don't want to put in the group if that sketches is belong to you. Only involvement, group involvement put in these group activities. Otherwise, you can use individual file to put your project or you put your itinerary or to put your activities. Then I know that is belong to individual. Alright, so the last one is yes, conclusion. Please make sure all the files have been tested and more than one computer. Okay, test on more than one computer to prevent malfunction application. All the link files must be managed properly. Please make sure all groups members involved in this project. Otherwise, please put in the report. So guys, if you have any problem, just give a question in Island portal. Thank you. Bye.